Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to take your measurements for a closure wig. So the measurements required for a closure wig are your circumference, which is going around the perimeter of your head. The second one would be your front to nape. So from the center of your forehead, and you want to come all the way back to the back of your neck. So I'm going to show you from the side as well. So from your forehead all the way back to the nape of your neck. The third measurement is going to be your temple, going around your other temple. So it will be temple, and you follow it all the way around to your other temple. And the last measurement is going to be the nape of the neck. The nape of the neck. All right. So we're gonna start by taking our measuring tape. We're gonna start at the tip, and we're gonna place it on her forehead, and then we are going to basically take it around, and we want to make sure it's flat. We're taking our measurements, so it's okay if it takes you a little time, but we want to make sure it's flat. So you can see it's flat, going all the way around, and we have, as you can see, we have a 21, so that's our circumference. So our next measurement we want to do, again, I'm going to show you from the side because it's easier to see it. So we're going to do a front to nape, so the forehead going all the way back to the nape of the neck. So I'm just going to place the measuring tape a little bit, maybe like an inch below her hairline. That way we can make sure we have full coverage when we place our wig on. So we're gonna say that this is the nape of her neck, and we get a 14, okay? So the nape of the neck is about a 14. The next measurement we want to take is our temple to temple, okay? So we're going to place measuring tape on one side, and we want to basically take that all the way around the center of her head. And we're just going to say that she's about a 14, okay? And then the last measurement we want to take is going to be the nape of her neck. So I'm going to turn it for a second, or you can see it from there. And I'm just going to place the measuring tape on both sides of her neck. And I'm going to say that she's about a 4 for the nape of the neck. And that is how you would take your measurements for a closure wig.